In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively start a meeting using Google Meet. Google Meet is a widely used platform, especially in professional and educational settings, where virtual meetings are a part of everyday life. Let's walk through the simple steps to set up a meeting. First, let's head over to the Google Meet homepage. You'll want to navigate to Google either through your browser or app, and then select Google Meet from the available options or directly type in meet.google.com in your address bar. Once there, you will be greeted with the Google Meet landing page. Now let's click on the New Meeting button. This is where you begin setting up your meeting. You'll notice a few different options to choose from. You can create a meeting for later, which is handy if you need to plan ahead. Alternatively, you can schedule your meeting through Google Calendar, allowing you to integrate the meeting into your schedule seamlessly. However, for this example, we're going to start an instant meeting, perfect for when you need to connect with others immediately. Once you've selected to start an instant meeting, Google Meet efficiently moves you into a new meeting room. You'll notice a pop-up window appearing at the bottom left of your screen. This is your hub for inviting others and sharing access to the meeting. In this pop-up, there will be a prompt to add others or share the meeting link. This feature is key for making sure everyone you want in the meeting is notified. You have a simple task here. Just click on Copy next to the meeting information or link that appears. This action ensures you can easily distribute the meeting link however you choose, through email, instant message, or any other platform you prefer. Finally, once you've shared the link, you're pretty much all set. The hardest part of setting up the meeting is over. Your meeting link awaits your participants, and you are now ready to conduct your virtual gathering. Whether for work, study, or catching up with friends, Google Meet facilitates seamless, instant communication. Using Google Meet for meetings can streamline the way you connect with others virtually. Its user-friendly interface and straightforward functionality make it accessible, whether you're tech-savvy or new to virtual meetings. Keep these steps handy for the next time you need to set up a meeting, and remember, practice makes perfect. You'll likely find that each successive meeting you create becomes quicker and easier to organize. Thanks for watching, and happy meeting.